Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys a complete guide on how to use CapCut PC. So to upload a project, you're just going to select upload and select a video that you have downloaded or whatever. For instance, this one I already selected that, and you're just going to wait for it to download. If you want to put the media into your timeline, you're just going to drag it, or you can even select the plus button. You can also use some of these stock videos. There is a lot to choose from. Favorites, animation, cut out text, aerial, time-lapse, nature, animal, black and white, landscape, food, drink, vertical, and New Year's Eve celebration. For instance, I'm just going to select this one and I'm just going to add it to my project like so. I can add songs right here by pressing the plus button. There's a lot to choose from, as you can see. You can also add text in here, new text. I'm just going to select this plus button to add text, and you can basically change the text here. You can change the font too. For instance, this one, you can add a format, change the color, spacing, etc., change the size, the position. You can also adjust the opacity of it too. You can add an outline, camera shadow. You can even add animation to the text. Let's see, this one for instance. There's also a text-to-speech button here. You can add in stickers. You can add in video effects. Let's just add one. Let's say this one. Press the plus button and it'll be added. You can then adjust the duration of the effects and text. You can add transitions. For instance, you're just going to want to split the video here, or press Ctrl B and add in a video transition. For instance, this dissolve one maybe. You can also add in filters to your videos like so. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!